Today I want to talk about a very simple dish, but a very important one in Japanese homes, miso soup. In many Japanese families, rice and miso soup are like a basic pair. On busy mornings or on cold days, a warm bowl of miso soup can make you feel calm and at home. Let's start with the kinds of miso. Miso is a fermented paste usually made from soybeans, salt, and koji. In Japan, there are many types of miso, but three big groups are white miso, red miso, and mixed miso. White miso is lighter in color, often a bit sweeter and milder in taste. Red miso is darker with a deeper, stronger, sometimes saltier flavor. Mixed miso, or awase miso, is a blend of different miso types and has a balanced middle taste. If you are not sure which miso to buy, I recommend starting with awase miso. It is easy to use and works well for many different kinds of miso soup. Next, let's talk about dashi. Dashi is a simple stock made from ingredients like kombu seaweed, dried bonito flakes, or dried anchovies. In Japanese cooking, dashi is not only for miso soup, it is a very important base for many other dishes, like simmered vegetables, noodles, and hot pots. In the future, I would like to make another video only about dashi, because it is such a big part of Japanese flavor. But for today, let's keep it simple. If you can use traditional dashi, that is wonderful. If not, you can use instant dashi powder or even a light vegetable or chicken broth as a starting point. It will still be warm and comforting. Now, I will share one very simple miso soup recipe that you can try at home: tofu and green onion miso soup. First, prepare your ingredients. Cut some soft tofu into small cubes. Slice some green onions into thin pieces. That is all you need for the ingredients. For the soup base, add about 2 cups or 400 milliliters of water to a small pot. Add a little dashi, for example, about 1 teaspoon of instant dashi powder. If you use a different stock, adjust it to your taste. Heat the pot until it is gently boiling. Then add the tofu cubes and let them warm up for a few minutes. Tofu does not need a long time to cook, you just want it to become hot inside. Now comes a very important point, adding the miso. Turn the heat down to low. Take a ladle, scoop some hot soup into the ladle, and add your miso into that ladle. Gently dissolve the miso in the ladle with chopsticks or a spoon, and then stir it back into the pot. Try not to let the soup boil strongly after you add the miso. If miso boils too hard, some people feel that the flavor becomes harsher and the nice aroma becomes weaker. For the amount of miso, there is no single correct answer, but a simple starting point is about 1 tablespoon of miso for 1 cup, or 200 milliliters of soup. For this small pot with about 2 cups of water, you can start with about 2 tablespoons of miso and then taste and adjust. Add a little more if you like a stronger flavor, or less if you like it gentle. After the miso is dissolved, turn off the heat and finally add the sliced green onions on top. The fresh smell and green color will make your miso soup feel more alive. Now, a few words about instant miso soup and family styles. In modern Japan, many people also use instant miso soup. It is quick, easy, and very common in busy, everyday life. But at the same time, homemade miso soup still has many different styles depending on the region and the family. Some families like to use onions, potatoes, and green onions. Other families might not use potatoes at all. Some like very strong miso, and others prefer a light, gentle taste. Even inside one family, there can be differences. For example, in a grandma's home, the miso soup may always have onions and potatoes, but in her son's home, his wife might make miso soup without potatoes, with different vegetables instead. This variety is one of the charms of miso soup. It is simple, but it reflects the habits, memories, and tastes of each home. If you make too much miso soup, you can keep it in the refrigerator for a short time, for maybe one more meal. When you reheat it, warm it gently on low heat, and again, avoid boiling it very strongly. Miso soup is not a fancy dish. It is an ordinary, everyday food, but small habits and a bit of care can change how it feels in your body and in your heart. If you ever visit Japan, please try miso soup, not only in big restaurants, but also in small inns or family homes. Each bowl has a slightly different personality. I hope these tips help you enjoy a warm bowl of miso soup wherever you live in the world. Thank you, my dears, for watching this video. I hope these small pieces of Japanese grandma wisdom are helpful in your daily life. If you liked it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more stories from Japan. See you again next time.